Okay, let's go through the setup of my pneumatic shifter real quick. We're running an air tank in the back here. I do have a compressor underneath the car, but right now for testing I'm just using an external compressor hooked up to my air tank here. So we have here the pneumatics of the whole system for my shifter, and then we got the steering wheel with the shift buttons. On the clutch pedal we have a little Hall effect sensor just to make sure we don't shift without the clutch depressed. Display sits on top there just right now, it's just clamped there. And then the part in the center here with the little fan unit on it is the actual shift controller inside. I'm going to show you a little later. And so what happens with the gear shifter right now when we power this unit up, let's do that real quick, bear with me. Everything fires up and it will automatically set itself to neutral when you power it up. The fan comes on, the display is there, and it will show, of course, the 0 for neutral. I'm going back around here real quick, and then this was just my setup here for programming and testing. And then here the little Hall effect sensor came to life. And now you see that illuminated button there. That's a reverse, what do you want to call it? A reverse lockout. So you can really only shift into reverse if you push that button. And you will have to shift in reverse manually. All right, so let's take the lid off here, this unit real quick, so you get a look inside. And there we have the controls. It's all rather spaced out, big unit, but as I mentioned before, big fat grease fingers need a lot of space to work. So we are neutral. I've got my upshift button here, downshift button there. So I can push the buttons and nothing's gonna happen. We have to depress the clutch to make anything happen. I'm gonna have to climb in here halfway. And so now we're gonna push that pedal and get the first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth gear. Display will show accordingly every time, of course. And then we go back to 5, we go to 4, 3, 2, 1, and then finally back to neutral. And there it is. And that is pretty much all there's to it for now. So theoretically, it will work. Of course, I have to wait to do some on-the-road testing once this car is finished. But it will shift the gears. The transmission is absolutely connected to the shift lever there. The system can be turned off, and everything can be shifted manually if needed. All right, thank you.